What the hell just happened? Well, guess what? We're going to talk about it. Hey everyone, I'm Rochelle and I give you all the patterns, styles, sew-alongs, and the deets of behind the scenes of any and everything in between. Today, we are going to be talking about Joann's closing 500 stores out of the 800 in 49 states. So this comes today. Today is Wednesday, February 12th. And I decided that I'm going to sit down and share this with you because it's going to affect Florida heavily, okay? So I am getting this from USA Today and CBS News. And what it says, quote, crafters in 49 states may want to think about stocking up on supplies as fabric and craft chains Joann prepares to close more than half of its U.S. locations. The retailer today told USA Today in a statement Wednesday, which is today, by the way, that it would be closing approximately 500 stores of its roughly 850 locations across the U.S. So the news comes after the company filed bankruptcy for the second time in January, which was just last month, okay? Now, this is the second time that they filed bankruptcy within a year. Now, y'all remember when Joann's went private back in March of last year. So, and also in the statement, Joann said it is looking to right-size its store footprint. Well, let's just say they've been trying to right-size their footprint since, let's just say, COVID, okay? So it is a very difficult decision to make given the major impact we know it will have on Joann's team members, their customers, and all the community that they serve for over 80 years, okay? So one thing I want to mention about Joann's is that Joann's filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy, okay? They owed billions of dollars, like billions of dollars, okay? So just in quote, while the chain did not release an official list to the public, it did submit locations slated to close to the court as part of the Chapter 11 bankruptcy process. Court documents listed 533 stores across 49 states on the chopping block. But that's not it. So just giving you kind of like a general 50 states, right? There's only one state that's not going to be touched. And that's, what state is that? Hawaii? Like, let's be real. All right, so starting from the West Coast, 13 in Washington, and I'm going to put the link of the listing for the Joann's that will be closing in the description box below. So there is 13 in the state of Washington, 14 in Oregon, 23 in California. I'm going to say the Bay Area of California, but 38 will be closing in Southern California near LA. There will be 9 closing in Arizona near Tucson, 2 in the bottom portion of Arizona, 4 in Utah, 2 in Idaho as well, 2 in the state of Montana, 6 in Colorado. There will be the 1 in Oklahoma closing, 12 in upper part of Texas near Dallas area, 6 closing in southern Texas. There will be 6 closing in Louisiana, 5 closing in Arkansas, 10 closing in Missouri, 20 closing in Iowa. I didn't know it was that many in Iowa though. 2 closing in Minnesota, 14 closing in Wisconsin, 61 closing in Indiana. Where is the headquarters? Wasn't it Hudson, Ohio? But at any rate, 61 between Chicago and Indiana. 2 closing in Michigan. 50 is closing in Ohio by itself. 16 in West Virginia. 14 in New York. 8 in, like right on the border of Maine and Vermont. 47 in Rhode Island, 50 in between that DMV area, 6 in North Carolina and Virginia. Now, let's go to the South. 22 is closing between South Carolina and Georgia. And then in Florida, 36 is closing. Now, with that being said, I am just literally looking at Florida and how it's going to affect us in Florida. And then, we'll talk about, in the upcoming weeks. I'm just going to say definitely look at the list because I want to talk about the areas that I travel heavily, and that would be Georgia and Florida. So with that being said, there will be 2 closing near Jacksonville, okay? Now, you could definitely see one closing in Yulee, Florida, and then the other one closing in Jacksonville, Florida, for that Florida one. Now, I stay in Orlando, Florida, and the list is really, really huge in the state of, Orlando, Florida, for Florida. It seems like everyone around me, every location around me will be closing in the state of Florida. So, just kind of like, it actually says 36 total in Florida. The most will be closing literally in California. Florida's going to get hit pretty bad with 36 closing as well. Now, it looks like for me regarding Florida, just to look at Florida, and then I'll talk about some other states as well. But Florida and I'm going to say Central Florida area, Lakeland, closing. Miami will be closing 3 stores. One on Flagler Street, which is the location that I always go to when I went to South Florida Fractal. When I went to the one in Fort Lauderdale, I went to the one on Flagler Street. They're closing. The one on Caribbean Boulevard is closing. The one on Kendall Drive is also closing. Let's talk about Hollywood, Florida. The one in Hollywood, Florida is also closing. That's the one on Hollywood Boulevard. All right. Daytona Beach on International Speedway, closing. Pembroke Pines location, closing. West Palm Beach location on North Lake Boulevard, closing. Sarasota, closing, okay? So we haven't even gotten to Orlando, but a lot of these are closing, okay? Ocala, closing. Lady Lake, closing. For the one in Orlando, one of the ones that's going to be closing is the one that I go to all the time. It's on Alafaya Trails. It's by UCF, University of Central Florida. I used to work over there. I used to go to that location all the time. It is closing. And this one is a money maker. So it's sad to see it closing, but this store is a money maker. Another one that's closing in the Orlando area for my Orlando folks is the one in Kissimmee. That's the one by Disney. It's off of Earl O'Bronson Memorial Highway. That's closing, okay? Another location that's closing, which is the Joann's that I've been going to doing the scroll. It's the Superstore here in Florida, near Central Florida, which is based out of Sanford, Florida. It is off of North Entrance Road in Sanford. That is the Superstore for Joann. That one is closing. Moving over to Winter Garden, the one on Daniels Road is closing, all right? Port Richey is closing. Tampa, for y'all. Citrus Plaza in Commerce Palms Boulevard, closing. St. Petersburg, 66th Street North is closing. Let's go ahead and talk about Georgia real quick. So Athens, the one on Atlanta Highway is closing. Douglasville, the one on Highway 5 is closing. Duluth, the one on Pleasant Hill Road is closing. Alpharetta, the one on Point Drive is closing. Fayetteville, Georgia, that one's closing. Conyers, the one on Dogwood Drive is closing. So there's a lot of them that's going to be closing, to be honest with you, but I am going to drop the list in the description box below. So let's say this, in terms of kind of like where can you shop for fabric, where can you shop for patterns, those things. Let's talk about it real quick. So when it comes to patterns, I'm only going to recommend buying them online. Like, I know some people talk about local thrift stores and this and that, perfectly fine. But I will say this, if you are looking for patterns of kind of like the big five, the only site that I'm going to recommend is simplicity.com. The only one. Now, if you are looking at indie patterns, there's so many indie patterns. I would definitely say check eBay, Etsy, and on Amazon. You know, the two cousins and the aunt. eBay and Etsy would be the two cousins, and then on Amazon, you could check that as well if you are looking for a pattern. I would definitely say if you're looking for the older patterns, right? Right now at Joann's, it's $1.99 for until pretty much they close. They are running this $1.99 sale indefinitely. That includes all the pattern brands: Simplicity, McCall, Butterick, Know Me, and Berta patterns, right? All five of those, and New Look, that's all six, for $1.99. Vogue for $4.99. This has been the lowest sale on patterns since what, 2022? Maybe 2023? Like, literally, when they get closer to close date, which is supposed to be March 12th, by the way. Yes, I know that information. But I'm pretty sure within the next few weeks, they may start dropping these patterns to 99 cents and then 69 cents and then 49 cents. Stay tuned for the channel for that, okay? Also, when it comes to patterns, you have Vicky Sews as well if you are interested in Vicky Sew patterns. Now, let's get over to fabrics. In terms of fabrics, one of the big locations, which I think for myself, I would probably do this every 6 months, is go to Atlanta and go to Fine Fabrics. Simply because I wish that they had a huge presence online, but I get it. You want footprint into your store when you have a brick and mortar. So I will probably go every 6 months or once a year, purchase a lot of fabric that I'm going to be using throughout the year. That's number one, Fine Fabrics. Another location, you know, an online store would be fashionfabricclub.com. Everything that I'm going to talk about will be linked in the description box below. The actual link to the website will be there. You could go there. They have knits. They have both knits, woven, special occasion. They have all of those fabrics that you can get in Joann. They have that at fashionfabricclub.com. Another website, Blackbird Fabric. We know Spoonflower would be another one. Minerva would be another one. Style Maker Fabrics would be another one. There's so many that you can do. Go to the different fabrics, you know, pick fabric. Fabric Mark, I used to purchase stuff from Fabric Mark. I haven't purchased from them in a very long time, but I would definitely say I'm just going to put a comprehensive list of the fabric stores, online fabric stores, right, in the description box below so you can check that out. Now, to be honest with you, I would be super sad. I am super sad to see Joann's go, simply because I tend to go in Joann's like every single week. And it's been one of the things that I've been doing since I've been here in Orlando, Florida. Now, when I was in South Carolina before moving here to Orlando, Florida, I would go like once every 2 weeks. And the reason why is because from where I live to the closest Joann's was like 40 to 50 miles. And I refused to keep going down that highway. What was it called? I think it was like Highway 378 or something like that. From Sumter to Columbia, South Carolina, just to do that drive was just like ridiculous. So with that being said, I literally was happy when I moved to Orlando and could just go literally 8 miles to Joann's. From my house to Joann's is 8 miles. However, I was not expecting to pay tolls. So here we are. But that's it. Tell me your thoughts on Joann's closing 500 stores, which can be every single one near you. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If this video was educational, inspiring, and fun, you guys know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already to continue content like this, to always share my knowledge, expertise, and anything that I know behind the scenes. That's why it's behind the scenes, and any and everything in between. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, keep sewing.